Yo, what's up guys? I'm just at the front of the Discovery shopping mall here in Kuta, as you see. I will show you a little bit around of the area, and I'm gonna hit into German Beach, and I'm gonna show you the restaurants and the hotels if they are open around. Also today is the first day when the Bali International Airport is officially open. I will show you how it was there. I was there a few hours before, I mean around 12, 1 o'clock, and also I'm gonna talk a little bit about who can actually come to Bali right now. So stay tuned. Here were some beach club and restaurant not so long ago. We make a vlog there with Winnie, and this is how it looks outside the Discovery shopping mall. As you see, it's almost nobody here. It's deadly quiet. And also from this perspective, just literally nobody is here. I saw some lady making pictures here around, but after that it's just super duper quiet here. Also the Ocean 360 is out of business, so this mall is almost like a bankruptcy, I could say. There are just few kids making pictures and that's it. And this one also out. Alright, so as you see, not many even people walking around. There is some construction. The mall is nearly bankruptcy, and today in the airport, in the international terminal, wasn't much more optimistic than it's here. Actually, I think nobody arrived to Bali on the first day, and also I think it's no flights to Bali, directly to Bali at the moment, international flight at all. And even there is the promotion in the airport for the airlines, as they have a 50% and or even 100% off of the fees for the airport fees for the airlines. So very interesting. Anyway, I want to mention who actually can come to Bali. So there is a list of the countries. There are 19 countries who can obviously come to Bali, to Indonesia right now, straightforward. But nothing has changed actually to compare to Jakarta or any other things. And also Bali's airport open, and Batam airport in Rayu Islands. Here is the Discovery Hotel. I think it's also closed. But in general, after that, not much has changed. Still, you need to meet all requirements to come to Bali or to Indonesia. You still need to obtain the business visa. It's nothing about the tourism, so it's no intention about coming tourists to Bali, to Indonesia. It's about the business people. Obviously this visa is as you are looking to make some sort of business in Indonesia in general. That's why airport usually was open in Jakarta, because most of people, maybe you don't know, most of foreigners who actually are in Indonesia right now, they are living in Jakarta, in Surabaya, in Rayu Islands, which is Batam, Sulawesi, Kalimantan, Papua Island even, because there are many industries, the people working, having businesses. Many headquarters of the big European companies have a headquarters in other islands of Indonesia. So basically over there is the business, and that's why so many Indonesian foreigner people coming to Indonesia, but to Jakarta. And obviously when I was in Jakarta last time, in the hotels, there was more foreigners than in Bali in the hotel. So that's serious thing. Here is the hotel of Kartika Discovery Plaza, I think. And anyway, back to the topic. Yes, if you want to come to Bali even, or come to Jakarta, it's the same thing. You need to obtain the right visa. The only biggest difference is, as if you're gonna come to Bali, you can quarantine in Bali. But after that, literally nothing has changed. There is still no any kind of travel bubble. There is no any kind of Bali's Phuket sandbox. There is nothing regarding the tourism. This is all regarding the business. So basically, if you wanna come to Bali, you could come already a month ago. The only difference is as you have to quarantine in Jakarta, or now you can quarantine in Bali. But still, you only stay in the room, in your hotel. You're not gonna go to the swimming pool. You're not gonna go to the beach. You're not gonna go to gym or anything. You're just gonna stay in the room. That's only the difference. That's why there is no any people in the Bali airport, because nobody will come here for the tourism purpose. Nobody gonna come to Bali right now for 7 days of holidays. If you have to wear the mask on the beach like I'm doing now, quarantine for 5 days, pay for the visa, and most of people coming for holidays for like 5 days, 7 days, 1 week, 10 days. So basically it's just, anyway, for many people who asking me if Bali Airport is open, it is open, but still you need to come like on the business purpose. I mean, on the visa. At least even you use this visa for holiday in Bali, it's better for you if you're gonna stay here longer, because staying here for 7 days is just doesn't make sense, and that's what we can see on the airport today. Meanwhile, that's how it looks, the situation in Kuta, as you see, also not that busy. Whew, I got super tired walking and talking and stuff like this. It's very hot in Bali right now. So in my opinion, the only hope for any kind of tourist industry in Bali is like when Indonesia and Bali government, they're gonna decide something, create something like tourist bubble, like travel bubble between the countries where you can come and enjoy the holidays, or something like a sandbox when you can stay in Bali for 1 week, like now in Phuket it's only 7 days, but you can be free outside and then you can travel across Indonesia or Thailand, for example, because this is not the purpose right now coming to Bali. Nobody talk about the tourism industry. The same with the local people. They coming to Bali because most of them they get vaccinated and the tests are cheaper now. This is like I went to Jakarta during the lockdown. That was totally possible. Just was super expensive and super complicated, and that's only what's changed. I just trying to explain you because many people thinking as if Bali Airport is open, that means as many countries can come to Bali without anything and no problem at all. It's not like that. First of all, you just need to have a visa. It's already complicated. Okay, I will continue my vlog at showing you area. Over here I'm already in German Beach. If you have any questions, you can always comment below and I will try to answer you as always. Heading now to the German Beach. Here is the Anvaya Beach Resort and Beach Club, also quite famous place for the local people, 5-star hotel in Tuban, and the beach looks like this. We'll see how's the situation today here. Yo, what's up?
What's up, man?
That's how it looks like. And also there are some local people deep inside actually the hotel today. Anyway, there are some hotels after Anvaya and they are closed. Everything here is closed. Actually, I'm not filming every single place what I passed here, but except that one is very quiet, guys, here. And also this hotel here, Maloji or something like that, doesn't look that much optimistic at all. Like I said, almost everything here in German area, which is Tuban, is just deadly quiet. And welcome to the German beach. This beach is popular now through the young skaters. Definitely, as you see, the only little life of local people here, but after that. So quickly, that's how it looks, the situation. Obviously, there are some people who are coming to Bali because they're staying longer. And you can also comment below if you're coming directly to Bali in the near future. Maybe you already got some tickets and what, I don't know. Comment below, I will really appreciate that information. And obviously, happy to having radler or coffee somewhere. But for many people who are asking us daily in the comment section on Instagram and everywhere about the tourism and tourist visas and stuff like this, is just nothing is happening yet. So we will see. Here is some photo session. Distract me a little bit. All right, that's how it looks, the situation. At least the local tourists enjoying their time here. And also, obviously, if there will be any changing about the tourism, like tourist visa, free visa on arrival, or any other kind of tourist visa, or sandboxes or something like that, we will inform you. But currently, only like a long stays make any sense. Comment below, what do you think about this, all of this? And I think that's it from me for today. Thank you so much for listening today, and see you tomorrow. See ya, take care.